When was the last time you traded up? You know what we're talking about. It's something that we do all our lives. Remember when you traded up from your office out of your pickup to your own shop? From having your very first employee and now having 30 of them. It's a deep breath and a smile, a feeling of pride. So when it comes to your craftsmanship, your company, your reputation, it might be time to look around and ask yourself the question, isn't it time to trade up to Associated Builders and Contractors of Iowa? When you trade up and become a member of ABC of Iowa, you'll be able to build onto your business with a toolbox full of benefits. Just imagine the possibilities. When you trade up to ABC, you're putting safety first for your organization, your workers, and their families. Our safety programs are designed by contractors for contractors and will help you reduce job site incident rates while decreasing insurance costs.
The culture that ABC has helped us create is our employees think safety, they live it, it just becomes a part of their daily routine. You know, at first they bought safety, thought it was slowing them down, holding them back, but over time, as they become used to it, they actually find it's faster, it's quicker, it doesn't hinder them in their jobs.
ABC of Iowa partners with OSHA. We train and educate you on the latest OSHA regulations, so you will know what your company needs to provide safe working conditions. Because no risk is worth it when we're talking about someone's life.
The way you check is you slide a hand in there. You should be able to comfortably fit the hand. That's why you want that to be so tight.
And how about trading up to ABC of Iowa's education and training program? We've all heard about the labor shortage for the trades, and we are working to close the gap by educating students about trade career opportunities at high schools across the state.
So I have the cheek of my elbow.
Train your own apprentices with ABC to grow your business. Send us your top recruits, where they can learn while they earn in our apprenticeship programs.
They're going to school one night a week, but they're working for their company 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday, 7 to 3:30 typically. Everything they learn in the classroom setting, they get to go practice on their job sites every day.
When you trade up to ABC, you know your workforce is trained by the best to become the best. Everyone wants to succeed with their business, and at ABC of Iowa, we're passionate about empowering you as you grow yourself and your business.
I joined the industry at the age of 26, so as you can imagine, I was young and really lacked the confidence. I became a volunteer with ABC of Iowa, and it's made a big impact in my life. It's allowed me to network within the industry and build that network that I have.
ABC's leadership and developmental programs help you feel more comfortable making decisions based around leading your business and empowering your employees. When you trade up, you become a part of our legacy. ABC was founded in 1975, based on the belief that construction jobs should be awarded on merit. So we've got your back, and your voice will be heard on the Hill.
I feel strongly about it because of our members. A good organization that believes in the same thing that I believe, which is open and fair competition, and allows us to have our business run that way and not to have it inflicted by any type of legislation that could affect our business.
Now that's worth trading up for. When you sign up, your ABC membership comes with exclusive savings and benefits. Our networking events open doors for you to build up your professional network. Members do business with members.
This connection that you have through the ABC network and associating with other contractors, it challenges you. It creates the opportunity to exchange ideas through the education programs and things. You sit in the room together, you exchange ideas, and I think we believe that that's just a healthy way to grow and influence a change in our business.
And a true mark of distinction is the Excellence in Construction Awards, where ABC proudly honors the year's most outstanding construction projects and contractors for their remarkable achievements in leadership, safety, innovation, and diversity. Ready to trade up? We did, and we're better together. No matter where your business is at, there's a place for you at ABC of Iowa. It's your time to trade up.